How's it going today, guys? We are going to be installing a tweeter speaker kit on my 2019 Subaru WRX. This is a genuine Subaru upgrade part. Should be pretty simple, plug and play. Let me get this unboxed and we'll get in the car and get started. There it is. There's your OEM one, and here's the new one compared to OEM. So I'm going to pop out these two Phillips heads real quick and replace it with the new one. And it'll just be rinse repeat the same side. The OEM plug that goes to the OEM tweeter works exactly the same with the connection in the back of the new tweeter. It plugs right in. Hopefully I can get this done before it starts storming. Well guys, that's going to do it for today's install. The tweeters definitely sound pretty crispy in person. I would definitely recommend getting them. Like I said, I want to upgrade to the speakers for the doors as well. They just didn't have them in stock when I ordered these, so to be continued on the sound installs. But it is thundering pretty nice outside, so I'm going to call it quits for today. Stay tuned for my next video because I have a nice upgrade coming for the Subaru that you guys are going to love. Maybe not, but either way, I'm going to love them. They're going to look great. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Peace out.